What's poppin', punks? Halloween's coming up, and there's that common tradition of, everyone gathering together and opening up presents. The joke is that that's the wrong holiday, but basically I got a bunch of crap recently, and I figured I'd show you what I got. So first off, complete mystery as to what's inside this thing. How small is this? Alright, well, I'm gonna make sure to hide the logo because I'm not giving them free promotion. I feel like royalty right now. Let's go ahead, open up the next thing. I don't really have anything to say about this. It's just like a small blanket, like a throw. Who tried to bleach this thing? Why do they have to have a warning label not to bleach a black throw?
Do not use bleach to remove semen stains.
Made in China. Well, that's not really surprising. This next one is a little bit of a mystery. Paint. I actually do remember ordering this, and it's let's just say hint hint, it's to update my disguise a little bit. Meant for outdoor, and it's kind of boring. Alright, which one should I open up next? Very good box, because you can't see anything. Now it was obviously repackaged. I'm gonna pretend to act surprised now. Whoa! Epic.
The Fitness Gram Pacer Test is a
Pants. I don't know why I thought this would be interesting. Next up is mystery package. Now I say mystery because the address didn't make any sense. It was addressed from and to the same address. So it's like I sent this to myself, but I don't actually know what's in here. I didn't send it to myself. I promise. I'm not joking. I'm not lying about it.
Great knife skills are essential to becoming a better cook.
Who is this?
No. Guys, it's a freaking V-neck. Why would anyone in their right mind ever wear a V-neck? That's so cringe. Also, would I be able to put this on without ruining everything? Too much effort. And last but not least, I forgot what this was. You know, I'm not gonna dump that one out. It's gonna go everywhere. Oh yeah, it's like a mount for your phone, so like, and the phone goes like here, and then you can record stuff. That way you can do like a how-to basic thing where you just, those were all the packages that I received. And some of them are for future stuff, and you'll get to see it. Actually, I think all of it has something to do with what I'm doing right now. Making a fool of myself. So just to recap.
magic.
Clothing. A harness. Paint. And this thing. You know, this is actually kind of cozy right now, I'm not gonna lie. That's gonna do it, folks. Just opened up a bunch of random crap. I mean, I already had it, and I figured, you know, if I open it up, I could open up on camera or off camera, didn't really matter. But I figured I haven't done anything like this in a bit, so be sure to have fun. Stay lit. Also, don't play with knives. I demonstrated fairly good knife etiquette in this video. Peace.